everyone, in this video I'm gonna show you how to send load to Philippines using the Ding. First and foremost, you install the Ding app on your phone, and then once you've installed that, just press that Ding icon, that one, and then it will come up like that. Send a new top up, and then just register. If you're not signed up yet, just click sign up, and if you're already a member, just click log in. So now I'm using a touch ID to log in, so I can just easily access it because I've been using this for a long time. Now just put your number. You must start with 0 or 09, like that, and then you just click the country you're sending to. You can send it to anywhere around the world, and now I'm sending to Philippines. So click Philippines. Then if it's a touch mobile, global smart, you just select that and you choose the amount, 50 pesos for $1.65, and there are also some other choices here. 150 pesos. Now we're gonna pay. We using Visa card because my card's already stored in there, and you can also use PayPal, so I'm using a Visa card which is already stored in this one. Now they just gonna ask for the 3-digit number on the back of your card, which is, I'm going to put it right now, and then just processing the payment at the moment. Processing, setting up touch mobile, and then checking up delivery status, and then that's already sent. So now I'm gonna ask my brother to send me a screenshot of the load that has been sent to him. So at the end of this video, I will be putting the screenshot of that one, so you can see it's not it's a very good app you can use. So that's the screenshot of his recharge that's being sent to him, and that's it. Stay tuned. Thank you for watching. See ya next time.